Difference between capital loss and consumption of fixed capital. Actually, all the capital goods during their lifetime may have consumption of fixed capital, that is depreciation or capital loss. So, what is consumption of fixed capital? When we use any fixed assets like machinery, building, furniture, typewriter, computer, we depreciate every year at a certain percent, 10%, 20%, 100%, as the case may be. That annual depreciation or devaluation of assets on a routine basis is called depreciation or consumption of fixed capital. While capital loss is not consumption of fixed capital, it is something that happens suddenly, not planned. Like uh, we bought a machinery, but that was stolen. We bought a car, but that met into an accident. With an accident, we bought heavy machinery, but fire broke out, or all the parts were damaged. So, loss by fire, loss by theft, uh, lost by other natural calamities, or suppose the war was going on between two countries and the machinery, whole business was damaged by the missiles from foreign country. So this kind of loss is called capital loss. Capital loss can be minimized by having इंश्योरेंस. उसका इंश्योरेंस अगर करवा ले तो कैपिटल लॉस से बच सकते हैं. बट डिप्रिशिएशन इज क्वाइट नेचुरल. अगर हम एसेट्स खरीदते हैं, मशीन, बिल्डिंग, फर्नीचर, मोबाइल इत्यादि, और घर में अगर आप रखे रहो, नहीं भी यूज़ करोगे, तो व्हाट यू विल सी, द डिप्रिसिएशन इज हैपनिंग एवरी ईयर. यानी हर साल आप एसेट्स को यूज़ करो न करो, डिप्रिसिएशन होगा ही होगा, वियर एंड टियर होगा ही होगा, स्क्रैप होगा ही, आउटडेटेड होगा ही. सो डिप्रिसिएशन और कंजम्पशन ऑफ फिक्स कैपिटल is the revenue expenditure in nature, and it happens every year with all the assets of non-current asset nature every year. While capital loss is not of regular nature. Why? Because just I have told you कि अचानक आग लग जाए, चोरी हो जाए, एक्सीडेंट हो जाए, इन सब कारणों से जो लॉस होता है, दैट इज कॉल्ड कैपिटल लॉस. एंड दैट लॉस मस्ट हैपन टू द नॉन करेंट एसेट्स, फिक्स्ड एसेट्स.